Every once in a while, you have just an awesome weekend of FPV. The weather has just been total crap. I've had this baby hawk for a month now and haven't even got to fly it. I probably could have, but I just didn't want to take it out in the snow and ruin it and everything else like that. But I've done setup videos on it, showing everything about it. Now it was time to actually fly it. And let me tell you, this thing flies as advertised. It is so fun. The three problems I have with it are you just don't have enough flight time, the Velcro strap kind of stinks, and the props get a little dinged up. You really start to get some oscillations in them. Let's take a look at some of the videos of my maiden flight and my second flight after I adjusted some of my PIDs. So I think this is the third pack that I put through it. It's pretty much the most exciting video, so I figured I would put it up. And this thing performs as everybody says. I really like the JB Power, or whatever they're called, batteries, the 553Ss from Banggood. They just kind of fit everything better. The Pulse Gum Stick 450s that are kind of like the tattoos. They're kind of awkward as far as being long, and they don't really fit underneath there that well with the included battery strap, which you could change that. Let's see here. I had no, that was a close one. And no problems with with the A-Vans performing or anything. In the micros, it really sucks that you have to use the two screws to put the props on. That kind of stinks, but whatever. That's just how things go. But no problem with signal or anything going behind the house. I think my minimum RSSI I got was like around 21 or 22, but I never had any fail safes or no problems. Got both my antennas sticking out of the top. Everything's awesome. I got some 4S 650s that I want to try on this as well and see how that goes, especially when it's cool. I understand that it does get the motors kind of hot, so I might not be able to actually use those during the summer, but I'm going to give them a go and see how they work and see how the vibrations are and everything. But yeah, this thing is awesome. It's as advertised. I highly recommend anybody to go out and get one. Don't even waste your time trying to build anything, or don't waste your money on any of those Diatones or whoever's that are making these quads and stuff. This 2-inch is awesome, and it's already been shown and proven that the 2.5-inch version and 3-inch versions are kind of have been leaked out there, that they perform just as good, that this is made for expandability and flexibility. So it's going to be pretty fun to play with. Talk to you guys later.